Robotic assisted knee replacement, it's my default discussion with my patients right now. Really, I don't offer traditional knee replacements because results are far more superior with the usage of a NAVIO robotic system. Recovery time is much quicker, a hospital stay is much shorter, but what is really striking is that the patients return back to their normal activity and normal function in a much more quicker time frame compared to the traditional ones. During surgery, we map the patient's knee onto the computer. The computer recognizes that as the patient's knee, and then we get real-time feedback in terms of positioning of the implants, but more importantly in soft tissue balancing in order to achieve an excellent balance of the soft tissue, which translates for the patient in a great range of movement with no limitation over their function and activity. Many people worry whether they need to come back in theatre in 10 or 15 years. My answer to this is that I use the only prosthesis with 30 years guarantee from the FDA. This, combined with the usage of NAVIO robotic system, which gives us excellent balance of the soft tissue, guarantees the longevity of the procedure. So, robot-assisted surgery is a great breakthrough, but we must remember that the surgeon remains in control of the procedure. This is not artificial intelligence, this is the ability to plan a surgery and execute that plan on a patient with great accuracy using the robot to assist the surgeon.